BestSeat is your new concert hall that will transform your computer screen, tablet, or phone into a true interactive experience. Now you'll be able to send messages in real time to your favorite artists. And who knows, you could receive a live reply during an exclusive concert. No, it doesn't cost millions. It's totally free. Do you want to know how it works? BestSeat can be used on the desktop or on mobile applications. How? If you have an iPhone or Android, you can just download the BestSeat free app from your store, and a brave new world will open up in front of your eyes. Do you want to be amazed? Then begin to navigate the main menu, where you'll find the biography, discography, and the best videos of the artist who will perform the next BestSeat concert. So you can't say you've forgotten the date of this unique concert. We've created a countdown to the live feed. Also on the homepage, you can navigate and interact on the social feed we prepared for the next BestSeat artist. And there you'll find everything the artist posted on all his social networks. As you can see, you're home free. Now if you click on View All Concerts, you'll be able to find out which concerts are booked, and you'll gain access to exclusive material from past concerts. Awesome, right? To gain access to the concert for free, you'll have to click on Free Access, register through social networks or email, confirm your details, and submit your registration. Does it sound complicated? It isn't. It only takes a few seconds. Then on the date of the concert, you can log in and have the opportunity to watch an exclusive concert just for you. But there's more. We promise you an interactive experience, and that's what you'll get. You're going to applaud, send love, write messages directly to the artist on stage. All these actions will allow you to collect stars in order to get yourself up in the rankings. The superfans, those who collect more stars during the concert, will be rewarded. With what? Become a superfan and you'll find out. In addition to these new features, during the concert, we provide unique posts and photos only for those who sit in the best seat. As it's unusual to watch concerts alone, you'll also be able to share this experience with your friends. If you prefer, you can also experience the best seat on your computer. To do so, you just need to follow the news on our Facebook page to find out what the next concerts are. Then you simply go to the artist's page on the scheduled day and time and click on the BestSeat app housed on the page. It's easy, it's free, it's unique, and it will transform your screen into the largest concert hall in the world.